What's up guys, this is Ash with the Case Theory. Today we're taking a first look at the new iPhone 12 Plum Silicone Case by Apple. So just like the previous years, with the announcement of the new iPhone, it is customary for us to get at least one new Apple original case to complete the iPhone Day experience. This year, there are 8 colors available, some of which are totally new, while others are updated versions. As we're not exactly fans of the lighter shades, we chose Plum, which also happens to be a brand new option this year. For those who are clueless what Plum might look like, it is actually a purple color that's got a slight brownish gray tinge to it. The almost reddish purple color earns its nickname due to the close representation of the average color of that a plum fruit. Alright, enough of the fun facts, let's dive right into unboxing. There's nothing much to say about the packaging. Just a plain white box with the chosen case printed on the front. The reverse side shows the name and color for easy reference. Do note that this case is also compatible with the iPhone 12 Pro. Within the packaging, the case is nicely held in place using the aid of a paper mold. At first glance, the case appears more square than rounded, probably due to the design of the new iPhone. The Apple logo sports a bolder look and is placed right in the center of the case. Well, this is certainly great, especially for those who love the attention that comes with the Apple brand. If you take a look in the interior, the microfiber material is used mainly to trap dirt and to prevent the back of your devices from scratching. The strikingly enormous ring is pretty much the reason why the cases are slightly more expensive this year. They are magnets that allows better connection for MagSafe. To install the case, simply snap the phone right in. The screen instantly lights up as if it registers that the case is now on the iPhone. Besides covering all 4 sides of the iPhone, the case also fully covers the volume and power buttons, which feels tactile when pressed. The bottom of the case is also completely enclosed other than the cutouts for the speaker and the charging port. The mute switch toggle is easily reachable as well. There is a little bit of lip on the front surrounding the screen even with the screen protector on. Moving on to the back, there is a hard plastic surrounding the camera rim that is relatively steep to provide protection for the lenses. Unlike the previous years, getting the Apple case this year means a whole new deal because of MagSafe. Using the Apple silicone case means that the MagSafe charger is able to stick and charge the iPhone through the compatible case. In case you guys wish to know more about the MagSafe charger, we did a whole video on it, so be sure to check it out. Let us now put the case through the TCT Case Score to decide whether it is worth your time and money. In terms of design, we feel that the case deserves a 4 out of 5. The silky soft touch has an overall nice feel when holding on to the case. Not to forget, the built-in magnets provide a fun attach and detach experience, although we're not exactly sure of the strength. In terms of protection, the case gets a 4 out of 5. We feel that the firm silicone is able to do a reasonable job of protecting the iPhone against daily scuffs and scratches. However, we're not sure if this case is suitable for butterfingers. Lastly, in terms of price, the case gets a 3 out of 5. The $50 price tag is definitely steep for a plain-looking silicone case with just built-in magnets as its selling point. Overall, the Apple silicone case gets a 3.7 out of 5. While the case might fall short by a few points to making it on the must-have list, it might be fun to get a compatible case for a full MagSafe experience since you're already paying so much for the new iPhone and a MagSafe charger anyway. So that's it guys, our impression on the new Apple Plum silicone case. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. Till then, see you in the next one.